Hey everybody, this is Mike from ProMaster, and I'm coming to you from the 2019 Fall Pro Convention in Scottsdale, Arizona. And I've got a new product I want to show you. It's the 2-Light AC Softbox Kit XL. It's the extra large version of our popular 2-Light AC Softbox Kit that we launched last year. This kit takes 4 lamps, so you get a whole lot more power, and it comes with a large 2-foot by 3-foot softbox. The softbox is ridiculously easy to put together. There's no speed ring, it just uses these nice flexible rods. Each lamp has its own independent power switch. No more having to work in banks or groups, so you can easily adjust the amount of power just by flipping a switch. You can use either compact fluorescents or LED lamps like the 4 that I have in here. ProMaster sells LED lamps in 3 flavors, 14 watts, 18 watts, and an ultra powerful 50 watt. This is the 2-Light AC Softbox Kit XL, and we'll see you next time.